Today we're reviewing the NutriBullet Nutrition Extractor. Okay, we picked up this NutriBullet at Target for $99.99. With the package you get the blender with a 600 watt motor, the extracting blade, the milling blade which is used for nuts. You get 3 cups, a large, a small with no handle, and a small with a handle. You get 2 lids in case you want to refrigerate your drink or save it for a later time. And you get 2 lip rings in case you want to drink it right out of the cup after you make it. That just screws on. Here's the max line. You don't want to go above that. If you go above that, it's liable to leak when you blend. So don't exceed the max line there. We're going to start off with some spinach. When you put the spinach in, we're going to mush it down. Good. And take some blackberries. Put some blackberries in there. Put some strawberries in. Of course, this was all rinsed off. Put some grapes in, throwing the stem in and everything. And put a banana in, half a banana. Okay, that should be good. Maybe okay, now we're going to fill the cup with water to the max line. Not to exceed it. Okay, now we're going to screw on the extractor blade. Now we're going to blend. You just flip it over and you'll see these 3 little notches on the side. 1, 2, and 3. And those line up into these slots. You push it down. And there's no on-off button. What you do is you just push it down. Unscrew the extractor blade.